Today I got the whole family out here helping in the garden. My wife, little boy, and over here's the little girl. And we are staking the tomatoes. It's the last day of May. You can see we got a pretty good looking garden going. Got the hay down to help with the weed prevention and moisture control. We got zucchini, squash, okra, some broccoli there, corn on the far side, tomatoes, a lot of those, peas and beans, cucumbers, okra and squash, if I didn't mention that. And we're staking the tomatoes today. So that thing that my boy was carrying is cane pole. Cut some of those yesterday, and he is helping me carry them, put them in the right spot, and then we're putting them down on the ground a foot or so. And there's several different ways to stake tomatoes. You can, a lot of people use cages. So you just put a single cage around the plant, some wire mesh material. You can make those yourself. You can buy those. What we're doing is, I guess, a little more natural, so to speak. We've got some cane pole that we cut just from down by the creek yesterday, and we pulled the leaves off of most of it. That way we have a clean pole to tie to, and we're going to take some string and weave in between these plants just to help them give it some structure and help them grow straight. Don't let the weight of the leaves and the tomatoes themselves pull it on down. So that is the update to the garden today. When we get this done, we should have several tomato plants that are growing up straight, tall, and putting on a lot of fruit. You can get an amazing amount off one plant if you treat it the right way. I think this hay is going to do wonders for it, and it already has. You can see how healthy they look. We had a frost just a few weeks ago, and they still look this good. So that stunted their growth, and we had to cover them, but they look great now. And with this cane, it should be just what they need to continue growing.